Hello students, welcome to e-classes of Depot School. So today we are going to see the rest part of housing and clothing of chapter number 9, standard 4, science world book. So today we are going to see first of all which one is clothing. So clothing means wearing clothes. Clothes we use to cover our body. Clothes protects us from dust, cold, heat, rain and insects, bites, etc. And we wear clothes to look smart. Okay, and the important thing is where the cloth is made up from. So clothes are made from different kinds of fabric. So the fabric is made of different kinds of fibers are long thin strands which are spun into threads, and after that the thread are woven into a fabric or fabric. Then the fabric is stitched to make the different kinds of clothes. Students, see, there are two types of cloth. First one is natural cloth and natural fiber, then second one is synthetic fiber. Okay, fibers that come from plants and animals are called natural fiber, whereas the fibers that are made from chemicals are called artificial fiber or synthetic fiber. Then first one we see natural fiber. So the cotton, linen, and jute and core, etc., are the natural fiber. First of all, we see cotton. So cotton are obtained from cotton plants, and the cotton balls have thin fibers on them, which is called lint, and the fiber is spun into yarn. Okay, and the yarn woven into the cotton cloth or fabric. Nylon fibers are produced from the stem of the flax plant. The stem are allowed to root. Then they are beaten to separate the fibers. The fibers are used to make roofs and paper of good quality. Then after that, jute are obtained from the jute plant. The stems of the plants are immersed in water for a few days. Okay, then the fibers are spread and spun into threads and ropes. Jute cloth is also used to make socks, handbags, carpets, and saris and rugs. Core is produced from the sale of coconut. Okay, core is used to make roofs, doormats, buses, and some decorate items. Then see, these are silk. So silk is also a natural fiber, and silk is made up from silkworm. Silk and wool are the fiber that are obtained from animals, and silk clothes are smooth and soft. They are made from silk fibers. Silk fibers are obtained from the cannon of the silk moth. The larva or the caterpillar of a silk moth changes into a pupa or cocoon. The cocoon is covered by silk fibers. Silk fibers are spun into silk threads from which silk cloth is made. Okay. Then woolen clothes keep your body warm in winter. Then they are made from wool. Wool is obtained from sheep. The wool on the sheep is cut, washed, and dried. Then it is bleached and dried. Next, the fiber are spun into thread and made into woolen clothes. Okay. Then artificial or synthetic fiber, polyester, rayon, nylon, and trilene, etc. are the fiber that are made from chemicals. And students, they are strong and durable and also soft and smooth to touch. They absorb less water and take very little time to dry. Then students, see, these are the types of fiber you see here: nylon, polyester, silk, wool, etc., cotton, rayon. Clothes according to season. So students, whenever you go to school, you wear a uniform. Okay, then the clothes you wear also depends on the customs. Okay, then care of clothes. Students, you have to always use a soap or detergent to remove the dirt and sweat and stains in the clothes. Keep your clothes in the cardboard. Also along with mouth balls or dried neem leaves to keep away insect. Then do not use a very hot iron on the clothes. Dry the washed clothes in the shade. Thank you, students. Learn the answer sheet, whatever I sent in your group, and prepare for your second unit test. Thank you.